welcome to LVN Mom. I am Nicole, and we are going to be unboxing. We've never done these gingerbread house kits like this, where it's already pre-assembled. So we're gonna open them. The kids are going to decorate them. Go check out LVN Family to see them
house
decorating. How do I do it? Hold on.
This is a big gingerbread house. This is a big gingerbread house.
Oh wait, do I pick it up? So let's see what we got. Okay. So here we go. It comes in a thing like this. So we have this. I'm gonna open it for the kids. It's already assembled. How cool is that? Be careful touching, because it will fall apart if you're not careful.
Gingerbread man's.
Okay. Hold on.
The biggest Christmas tree. I know.
Alright, here you go. Take that. We got red icing. Red icing.
But then we got some.
This looks yellow. I don't know if you can see the package. And yours, they can't see, is green. So you guys, when you go to open it, Logan, just cut a little bit of the corner.
Yeah.
And show them the how.
This is either yellow or white.
Look at that. Oh, it is so cute. So you guys are going to decorate together.
Yeah.
Let's open this and see what we get in here.
Yeah.
Do you want to maybe get a few bowls?
Yeah. Get a few bowls.
Oh, here's tips.
She's tipsy.
For the icing.
The icing.
Little candy lights.
Yeah, little candy lights.
Little mints. Those are so cute. Little ball. Snow. Oh my god, how cute.
That's cool.
Little buttons. Oh, and you guys got piping bags. Okay, so you guys can put it right in there and then put the end on. Step-by-step directions. We stand that. Here you go. And then this little board. Oh, the house goes in the middle. Oh, I think the house goes on top. Oh, so I don't know if I showed you. They got 2 gingerbread men. A giant Christmas tree. That looks so fun. So let's see if we can't get this open and get this where it needs to be. The front.
Looks pretty good. We should go on top of it.
Look at that. That's so cute. All right, let me open everything for you guys. So you have it.
So that we can open this. The icing.
This is so cute. Look at those.
Red icing.
I gotta hurry up because I got a meeting I have to be in. Alright, you guys can do that. You want me to help you with this piping bag?
Yeah. And the yellow that you called it is white. Can I go
The red looks like it's going to make a mess. Hopefully it does not, because I'm busy. Thank you, babe.
Ooh, it's light. It's kind of dark.
Alright, I gotta go.
So hi guys, it's me. You know, my mom Nicole was supposed to be recording it, but she had to go to a meeting. So I'm gonna take over, finish showing you guys the setup, and then I'm going. And then, if you guys want to see how we made it, you have to go to LVN Family to see. I'm trying to get this white icing in a piping bag. This is very hard. I remember as a kid, always wanted to use a piping bag. Now, oh my god, they are ridiculously hard to use. Like, this was us opening the gingerbread house, showing you guys everything we did to get it prepared. Now you're gonna want to go over to LVN Family to see how we make it. It's with me and Victoria. Again, sorry my mom had to leave for a meeting. And bye!